Friends, I am Vijay Kumar. In the last class, we are discussing about the relation and function which will come under the Karnataka CET. Okay. Now today we will discuss some more example on this same lessons, relation and functions. Look at the first one. The image set of the interval closed 0 to pi under the function f of x is equal to this one. We have to say find an interval where images lies. In which interval images lies. Okay. Now first I will take a first function is that if it is an x is lies, input is lies between the where to where. Okay na? X lies 0 to pi by 2. Then sin x, because we need a pi by 2 sin x. Where it is sin x lies? If it is 0 to pi by 2 means sin x lies in 0 to 1. Sin x is lies 0 to 1 means I need a pi by 2. Multiply pi by 2. Hence pi by 2 sin x lies between 0 to pi by 2. It is nothing but a pi by 2 sin x is lies between 0 to pi by 2, that closed interval. Okay. In the second case, what we have? Let me see. If it is an x lies greater than or equal to pi by 2, less than or equal to pi. Okay. We need a minus pi minus x. First I will multiply the minus. If you multiply minus in whole equation, the inequality will be changes. Minus x. Again subtract a pi. Pi minus pi by 2 greater than or equal to pi minus x greater than pi minus pi. Sorry, this one. Pi minus pi is a 0. Now from like this I will come pi minus x greater than or equal to 0 greater than pi minus x less than or equal to pi minus pi by 2. Pi by 2. It means that the output also lies, pi minus x also lies in the 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Images are lies in where? In 0 to pi by 2. Closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Hence which one? First one option is right one. Let me move on to the next one. Okay. Next question is, let function f from R to R be defined by f of x is equal to 2x if x is greater than 3. It is an x square if it is x is lies between 1 and 3. It becomes 3x if it is x is lies less than 1, less than or equal to 1. Then what is the value of f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4? You should find it. Now f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. Okay. F of minus 1 nothing but it is a less than 1. Okay, it is less than 1, we should take this one. 3 of minus 1 plus f of 2 means 2 is lies between 1 and 3. That's why this is 2 square plus f of 4 means greater than 3. That's why this is the output. 2 into 4. Then minus 3 plus 4 8. It means nothing but 2 plus 4 12, 12 minus 3 is a 9. Which option? First option. Now let me move on to the next one. Okay, next one. Fk of x is equal to 1 by k of sin power k x plus cos power kx is equal. It is what? Where x lies between the real number and k must be greater than or equal to 1. Then what is the value of f4 of x minus f6 of x? What is the value of this one? Now first I will find this one, f4 of x minus f6 of x. Now 1 by 4 sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. In the place of k I put the value 4. Same way minus f6, 1 by 6 sin to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x. See, if this type of problem is there, you have to fill the x value either 0 or the pi by 2, because it is easy find. Sin 0 we know that sin 0, cos 0 we know that 1. It is easy to simplify. Verification method. Okay. Now I will fill x value is 0. That's why 1 by 4 you can take x value as pi by 2. 1 by sin 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 minus 1 by 6 sin 0 plus 1. It is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. If we take an LCM, what is the LCM? It is an LCM is 12. 12 means 3, 6, 2. 3 minus 2 is a 1. 1 by 12 is an answer. That is a 1 by 12. First option. Now let me move on to the next one. Okay, next is let f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5 and g of x is equal to x by x square plus 1. Then f composite g is, you have to read it, f composite g is what they are asking me. Now f composite g is the right is g of f of x. Then g of, what is an f of x? F of x is a 3x square minus 5. What is the g of x? G of x is this one. In the place of x we should write this one. X is what is there? 3x square minus 5 by x square. 3x square minus 5 whole square plus 1. It is nothing but 3x square minus 5. This is a minus b whole square. 9x to the power of 4 plus b square 25 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 30, 30x square plus 1. It is nothing but 3x square minus 5 by 9x to the power of 4 minus 30x square plus 26. Well, which is the option? 3x square minus 5, 9x to the power of minus 30x square plus 36. First option is the right one. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Next question is that let f from R to R be defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x. Then f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x is equal to what? They are asking. Now first f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x. F of 2x, I will fill in this. F of 2x nothing but in the place of x you have to fill 2x, that is the 4x plus mod 2x plus in the place of x minus x. Okay, 2 minus x plus mod minus x minus f of x, that is as it is 2x plus mod x. Now 4x plus mod 2x, this minus 2x, it is the mod is there, minus become plus only, plus mod x minus 2x plus mod x. Okay, minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 4x get cancelled. Okay, now look at here, I made a mistake here. Minus of f of x means this one whole bracket, that's because this become minus here. Okay, that's what this is a minus plus mod x minus mod x get cancelled. Now what is that? Mod 2x. It means here I will take a number outside, that is a 2 of mod x. This is a constant, that's why I can take common 2 mod x. Which option? 2 mod x. Second option is right one. Okay, na? Okay. Today class is completed. Tomorrow or next class we will discuss about the next lesson. I think inverse trigonometric functions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.